And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 70. Let me show you how to create the EU flag. Let's start with the rectangle, make it a bluish fill, no stroke. Once you've got that, we'll select the star tool, hold shift when you drag it and give it a yellowish golden color. I still want to stick to the basic swatches because I haven't yet talked about other color options. Therefore, we're going to pick one of these here. Let me stay with this one. Maybe it's a little bit too big, so I hold shift and alt when I size it down. Afterwards, press Ctrl R. You can see your rulers and you can drag guides out of there. Try to find the center, vertical and horizontal. But in principle, we only need an overlap like this. So this is going to be our rotation center for the star. Let me put it right here for now. Put the star on the vertical line right here, the vertical guide. Let me zoom in. And now I activate the rotate tool and you can see the rotation center, this turquoise target or plus sign. Left click drag on it. I misclicked here, so press Ctrl Z. Can be a little bit tricky to find it, but now we have it, and then put it right here where the guides overlap. I press Ctrl 0 to zoom out and you can see we can rotate the star around it. We'll start at this position and then I hold Alt and left click on this rotation center. By the way, the rotate tool is still active and we need 12 stars. The circle has 360 degrees, therefore 30 is what we need. And I just copy. But you can see our star was a little bit too big, so press Ctrl Z, activate, for example, right here, the selection tool, size it down yet again, holding Shift and Alt. Then use rotation tool yet again, because we might also have to reposition our rotation center. Let me zoom in, put it right there. Again, Ctrl 0 to zoom out to canvas size. Hold Alt, left click on this position right here, 30 degrees, and then use copy. If you've done it once, you can press Ctrl D. This repeats the last action. Do that until your circle is closed. Let me go to view and I clear the guides. And to make sure that we've got it actually in center, I select it all. Then I hold shift and left click on the rectangle. So only our stars are selected. I go to object group, select it all yet again, and then use the alignment options right here. And now we've got it perfectly in center. And this is how I can create the EU flag in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.